All right, welcome to the Live Success Academy. This video is just a quick overview of how to use this community, and I'm going to give you some best practices that I think every single live streamer and content creator should be following. The main goal of this video is to make sure every single person in the Live Success Academy is following the same best practices so that we can all help each other grow more quickly. Let's start with just a quick overview of the Live Success Academy. Our number one goal here is to help you build a stronger community. And by doing this, it will help you get more views and followers across all platforms. And of course, it will help you monetize. Content creation is not supposed to be easy. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. With that said though, the goal of this community is to help you fast-track your success. We partly do that by sharing best practices, which we'll do later in this video. And I'll put a transcript and a summary below this video after about 24 hours. And every single link mentioned in this video will also be below this video on Skool. So if you're watching this video, you're probably new to the Live Success Academy and new to Skool. So how do you use this website? Well, firstly, just start by bookmarking it. You can also download the Skool app if you use your phone a lot. And there's three main components of this. We start with the community tab. This is text-based posts, and you are more than welcome to post anything you've learned into this section, and you can ask for help here as well. And of course, I encourage you to read through the posts. I try and post here once a day and help other people out and provide any value you think you can provide. So the community is text-based posts. The classroom is videos. This includes my back catalog of YouTube videos, and I've categorized them nicely. So for example, if you want to find out about Tikfinity or multi-streaming, just click onto the classroom, click YouTube videos, and find the relevant topic. And in the classroom, I'll also be filling this with private videos just for the Live Success Academy. And this is one of them. And the calendar is for any live events that we do. So sometimes I record my videos live and I'll put that on the calendar. And we'll also try and do a weekly Q&A where you guys can come and talk to me and the rest of the community. So just check out the calendar tab to join in with any live events.